Hey there, video creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered video editing tools. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these two tools are absolute game changers. Let's get into it. First up, we have Auto Edit Pro. This powerhouse tool uses advanced algorithms to streamline your editing process like never before. Say goodbye to hours spent trimming and cutting footage. Auto Edit Pro does it all for you. Auto Edit Pro analyzes your footage and intelligently selects the best moments, ensuring your videos are dynamic and engaging. But wait, there's more. With its intuitive interface, even beginners can create professional-looking videos in minutes. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with your favorite editing software, making collaboration a breeze. Now let's talk about SmartCut Studio. This innovative tool takes AI editing to the next level, offering a range of cutting-edge features designed to elevate your content. SmartCut Studio isn't just about saving time, it's about enhancing the quality of your videos. With its AI-driven color correction, your footage will always look its best, no matter the lighting conditions. And get this, SmartCut Studio's intelligent scene transitions add a professional touch to your videos, giving them that polished finish viewers love. So there you have it, folks. Auto Edit Pro and SmartCut Studio, the top two AI tools for editing video. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or blogger, these tools are sure to take your videos to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing.